How to log in to Netflix account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnad, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily log in to Netflix account. Now logging into Netflix account is quite simple. All you have to do is, if you want to do it on the application, you want to install the application and open it up. Now unfortunately I won't be able to show you up here because the Netflix app doesn't allow me to screen record a screenshot due to security policies. So all you have to do is you'll have to open Netflix, and once you open it up, it'll ask you to enter in the email address. Simply type in the email address of your account, and then it'll ask you to type in the password, and once you do so, you'll be able to log in and start streaming. If you want to do it on browser, all you have to do is you'll have to head into your web browser, and then you want to head into www.netflix.com, and once you head there, either on your phone or your PC or any other devices on www.netflix.com, it'll ask you to sign in using your email and password. Simply type in your email and password, and you'll be able to log in easily. So this way you can log into Netflix account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.